Adding a skylight to your space can add more natural light and is a great way to do so, but if you have just a skylight, it can look a little messy on the inside. And that is where these trim rings come into play. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is one of our trim rings. We carry two sizes to go along with our two sizes of skylights. We have a 14-inch by 14-inch trim ring like this one, and we also have a 14 by 22-inch trim ring as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the dimensions of them up here on the screen for you guys. So these trim rings are for your camper or RV skylight. So when you install your skylight, you cut a hole into your roof, which can leave some kind of bare edges in the roof interior. So this helps cover up the hole that you cut for your skylight. These are easy to install and only take like 4 screws. So putting this up to cover up that hole for your skylight is super easy to do. These trim rings are built out of an acrylic plastic, and so they are extremely lightweight, so won't add much weight overall to your rig. And on top of that, it is both tough and durable. These are impact resistant as well as high temperature resistant. So if you're going someplace that is warm, you don't have to worry about these cracking. They are also harsh chemical resistant as well, so they are easy to keep clean and looking nice. Like I said, they come in two sizes, 14 by 22 and 14 by 14. If you guys are interested in installing a skylight or just replacing the trim ring on the interior of your RV, please check out the link down in the description. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.